KRS. I studied Treach, Naughty by Nature.
Treach is difficult to rap like, because Treach is like, his shit is really complicated. You know, I just heard a new record with Treach.
I can click, clack, pat, tat. Wait, what was he say? I can click, clack, snap, rap, pat, tat, tat, tat. Take that ass to the point you have to ask for your ass back. The fucking joker smoker, taunted by knowing if I was born in Shungli's temple, I would have turned out a shogun. That song, Yoke the Joker, when that shit came out, I swear to God, I was in my peak at rap, and what I mean is, like, when I realized this is what I want to do with my life.
Right.
And Proof came over. He brought the fucking tape. And my world ended. Like, I was like, oh my God, what the fuck is this? Like, it literally, I didn't write a rap for the whole summer.
You know the life of the gods. Can't compare what I'm living in. Sit in my household, a ghetto story untold. As the story unfolds, the truth will expose all the lies being told. There's treasures in the ghetto, you ain't hear that from a troll. Jobs should not snitch, the blood's written on the scrolls. No one knows all the pain I felt behind closed doors. Demons biting at my heart, Satan biting at my soul. Drink the blood in my sleep, I murdered in my nightmares. See the storm of the streets, I get you all quite scared. Cause the love's out of reach, and the hate's right there. See his brains in the scar, and his face right there. Scottsdale where I'm from, it ain't safe back there. Murder, red rum, they call it case back there. Doing the case see me like Anthony. Gangsters acknowledge me. Gangster mentality, men to the man in me, insanity. I'm forced to live my life for the tragedy, insanity. Forced to live my life for the tragedy, insanity. Forced to live my life for the tragedy, insanity. That advice is insanity. You better call me. You already got this. Don't play with me. Casey Anthony, you want to with Kaylee Anthony? Nobody said they want to KC me like Anthony. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. My name, Anthony. Shout out No Love Club. Yo, right here, all day, Naughty by Nature. We gonna do this and watch. We gonna have a track together because we gonna work on it right now. You ever heard? Over there. Unless you put that. Now, you put that in, now put your number in.
It's No Love Plug. Y'all should get that. Pay attention.